Hey everyone, this is Ryan with the Living TN team in Nashville. We're here in Donelson. This is a great part of town. It's just to the east of downtown and just north of the Nashville airport. It's really convenient to get to and from the airport, and also very close to downtown Nashville. So if you work in the area or if you're in town trying to check out Nashville, get downtown, this is a great place to check out, just given how close it is to everything. It's a great area if you're looking for a little bit more affordable housing. The houses out here, the average sales price is $407 for a single family home. And there's primarily just single family homes out here. There are some townhouses and that kind of thing. As far as food is concerned here in Donelson, there's a couple places that I'd like to showcase. One is Party Fowl. There are a few locations here in Nashville, but there's also one here in Donelson, and I'd highly recommend that if you're looking for some awesome hot chicken. So a second place that I would recommend checking out is called JoJo's Cuban Cuisine. It's an awesome establishment. They used to be just in a small food truck, and they just recently moved into a permanent location. As a family, they all moved from Cuba, and it is the best Cuban sandwich that you'll find in Nashville. One huge thing that's here in the area is the Opryland Hotel, Mall, and the Grand Ole Opry. The hotel is a huge outlet mall, and it has, pretty much anything that you could want in a mall. Tons of options as far as clothing, food. Has a Dave & Buster's there, movie theater, all that stuff. There's the Grand Ole Opry, which is a really historic music venue here in the Nashville area. And then we also have the Opryland Hotel, which is just an incredible place. It's kind of hard to describe what it is. It's basically just a monster hotel that has these really large areas in it. It's almost like a big greenhouse that has different restaurants, bars. It's just a wonderful place to walk around and check out. There's also shopping. I would highly recommend checking it out during Christmas time. They do the whole place up, have huge Christmas trees and all that stuff. So definitely an amazing place to check out here in Donelson. So another really cool place to check out while you're here is the Donelson Bowling Center. It's kind of a vintagey, old school bowling alley. It's got a lot of character, it's really cool, and who doesn't like bowling, right? So definitely check that out. So once again, I am Ryan Frederick with the Living TN team here in Nashville. I appreciate you checking out Donelson with us. Welcome to Nashville.